Hello guys, I am Devmal. In this lockdown situation, I have made a project upon COVID-19. So it's my final project and the main project file. So the associated files are these all. So this project is basically made upon the Python 3 programming language. So let me show you. Okay, so it is the loading screen. After loading, it will automatically opens a login or sign up screen. So this is the login screen. So as I have no account in this application, so I'll click on sign up button. So here let me fill my details. So for email ID, I am going to use the 10minutesmail.com. So let me submit the form. After submitting, it will generate an email verification. So here they are asked for the verification code. Okay, so here we get the email and the verification code is 277509. So let me put in. Okay, so here they have said that your account has been created successfully, and after clicking OK, they will directly opens the main window page. So there are three sections in this main window page. First, data analysis, second, important sites, and third, manage account. So let me click on the data analysis. So after it takes some time, because after it get clicked, it web scraping some informations like total cases in worldwide COVID-19 and as well as death and recoveries. So here's the section which is saying to click on the button. Basically after clicking the button, it will open a HTML file in your default browser. So here this HTML file is consist of the all states of India with the confirmed cases in COVID-19 as well as active cases in COVID-19 and recovered as well as decreased case. So let me go back. Here's the important site window. So here is the entry box which is named as quick search. You can search anything on the entry box. If it is a valid search, it will show the result in this search result section. Otherwise, if it is an invalid search, it will show the page is not shown. So let me search about the symptoms of COVID-19. Okay, so it will take some times. Okay, so here's the result. So I'm not going to read the result. So here's the two button. If we click this blue button, it will directly opens the official website of World Health Organization. And if we click on this orange button, it will opens the mygov.in website. Okay, so here's the manage account window. So here is the personal informations which you provides while you are sign up your account. The account name I have provided as Devmal. My location was West Bengal and email ID was this, which we take from the 10minutesmail.com, and the COVID-19 helpline was generated by your location. So it will be generating other helpline number if basis of your location. So here's a general section which will be providing the overall helpline form for Government of India. Okay, so here's the 5 buttons. So let me show the forget password. If you click on the forget password, here will be a information box will be open, and it has been said that your password is being sent to a registered email. So let me check our email again. Okay, so here's the mail. So it said that the password was 123456. Okay, so let me now change my password, and let me change this to the reverse order. Okay, so it says that the password of your account has successfully changed. So now let me ask for the my old password. Okay, so let me check it. If it so what's that? Okay, so here's the mail. It takes some time. So yeah, so our password has been changed to 6454321. So here's the about developer section. After clicking the about developer section, this window will open. It will briefly tells about myself. So here is the button which after clicking this, it will opens my blog, my blogspot.com, which is named as DS as an engineer. Okay, so there is a send feedback button. If we click on that, it will opens a beautiful window. So let me send some email. Hi there, it is a sample of feedback form. So let me send the email. I send the feedback form. Okay, so it's informed that thank you Devmaloshu for your feedback. So this feedback will come to my personal email. So this is the heading of that email, feedback form of Devmaloshu. So here's your entry which you text in your or which you submit as a feedback. Okay, so it's all about my COVID-19. So it's all about my fight against COVID-19 application. So you guys please tell how it looks, and thank you.